Door Installation Austin, TX, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our door company in Austin, TX, specializes in providing top-notch door installation services, ensuring that every entry door, interior door, and exterior door is perfectly fitted to meet your needs. Whether you're looking for custom doors or standard options, our door installers in Austin, TX, are ready to deliver exceptional results. For those seeking door replacement services in Austin, our team of door experts is equipped to handle any project, big or small. We offer a wide range of door solutions including sliding doors, French doors, and patio doors to suit any style or preference. Our door contractors in Austin are dedicated to providing high-quality door renovation and door upgrades to enhance your home's curb appeal and security. Door Installation Austin, TX, is another essential service we offer, ensuring that your doors function smoothly and efficiently. Our door specialists in Austin are skilled in door adjustments and door alignment, addressing any issues that may arise over time. With our comprehensive door maintenance services in Austin, you can rest assured that your doors will remain in optimal condition for years to come. Custom doors in Austin are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their property. Our door company in Austin, TX, offers a variety of custom door options, allowing you to choose the perfect design, material, and finish to complement your home's style. From door frame installation to door hardware selection, our team is here to guide you through the entire process. Door frame installation in Austin is a critical component of any door project, ensuring that your doors are securely and properly fitted. Our door installers in Austin, TX, are experienced in handling all types of door frames, from traditional wood to modern metal options. With our expertise in door fitting and door hardware in Austin, Texas, you can trust that your doors will be installed with precision and care. Sliding door installation. Austin is a popular choice for those looking to maximize space and create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. Our door services in Austin, Texas include a wide range of sliding door options, from classic designs to contemporary styles. Our door specialists in Austin are committed to providing the best sliding door solutions to meet your specific needs. French doors in Austin, TX, are a timeless addition to any home, offering elegance and sophistication. Our door company in Austin, TX, provides expert French door installation Austin services, ensuring that your doors are both beautiful and functional. With our door solutions in Austin, you can enjoy the perfect blend of style and practicality. Patio door services in Austin are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. Our door contractors in Austin offer a variety of patio door options, from traditional hinged doors to modern sliding designs. With our door upgrades in Austin, TX, you can create a stunning and functional outdoor area that complements your home's architecture.